In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zerion wallet account. Before we begin, a quick note on what delete means here. In Zerion, removing a wallet detaches it from the app on your device. It does not erase your blockchain assets or permanently destroy a seed phrase. Think of it as cleaning up or securing a device by taking a wallet off it, while your funds remain on-chain and recoverable with your original credentials. Start by opening Zerion on your device or in your browser. Make sure the app is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection so menus load correctly. If you use biometric or passcode protection, unlock the app as you normally would. Once you're in, land on the home screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled My Wallets. This is the overview of every wallet currently connected or imported into your Zerion app. It can include self-custodied wallets, hardware wallets you've connected, and even watch-only addresses. Take a moment to identify the wallet you want to remove so you don't accidentally pick the wrong one. Select the wallet you plan to remove by clicking or tapping it. Inside the wallet view, double-check key details like the display name and a few characters of the address to confirm you're in the right place. If you manage multiple networks or accounts, verifying now helps prevent confusion later. In the upper right corner of this wallet view, look for the person icon. This icon opens the profile or wallet options for the one you're currently viewing. Tap or click that icon to access the wallet-specific menu. From the options presented, choose Remove Wallet. When prompted, confirm by selecting Yes. This confirmation is important because it prevents an accidental removal. After you confirm, Zerion will detach this wallet from the app on your device. You'll typically be brought back to the home screen, and you should see that the wallet no longer appears in My Wallets. If it still shows for a moment, refresh the view or give it a second to update. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the wallet you removed was imported with a recovery phrase or connected from a hardware device, your assets are still safe on-chain. You can always reconnect or re-import later using your original recovery methods. If the wallet was watch-only, removing it simply cleans up your list and doesn't affect any funds. And if you removed your only wallet, the app may prompt you to add or connect a new one before you continue exploring. That's it. You've successfully removed a wallet from Zerion. Thanks for watching and take care.